Welcome back to the second part of your lesson. Okay, what we have here is, well, basically who the user is. Alright, we can subdivide the user into a few categories. Number one, the age. Obviously, age gap like between 25 to 30, 35 to 40, and so on. Or maybe 45 to 55, for example. And they will fall into the middle-aged people, and therefore you can roughly, characterize them by their age. Right? Of course, the next thing is gender, male, female. Okay, we're not going to go into in-betweens, but generally male, female, and male and female have different needs. Right? Occupation is very important because if you look at a person, if the person is a teacher, for example, they have specific needs. If the person is a lawyer or a banker or a nurse, a bus driver, a policeman, blue-collar worker, white-collar worker, creative people, people in the office, people who work outdoors, sales people, okay, they have different needs because they move about, they have different responsibilities whatsoever. And next one is hobbies. Why I find hobbies is important is because if, for me, for example, I'm a teacher, male, I cycle, I keep aquarium fish, I fly kites, so I have different needs, alright? I also like to do indoor stuff like reading, watching movies, but I like to do outdoor stuff as well. So I have different needs, and looking at the hobbies, you can sort of like quantify or sort of determine the person, what the person wants, what the person needs, and how the person goes about doing his hobbies. Alright, what I want you to do now here is basically create an image board. Right? What does the image board do? Basically, you sort of like generalize what this type of person do. The gender, the age, the occupation, the hobbies, and then try to generalize what this person does. Okay? What is the image board? Image board is actually a visual library of the context which is applicable to the user. Right? What is the user's common reference? That means if you think about a person, let's say for example me, teacher, male, cyclist, what do I want? What do I need? What are some things that associate with me? The colors, the textures, the feeling. Okay, so you create a visual library and make that so that when you actually design a product, you can actually sort of relate what this person needs are to the tastes, the wants that he has. So then you can actually do a sort of comparison easily, and you can actually use that to ideate further on. Right? So always, when you're in doubt, ask, and I want you to start by brainstorming what your user needs are.